Hey, I'm Walter Pierce with London Rankin Realty, and today I wanted to bring you the market in a nutshell. So this is going to be market statistics and some charts and graphs to show you what our market is doing. A lot of people are saying that, hey, we have a housing shortage, or hey, how's the market? Or the market's up. So these are some numbers that might help you with understanding what's going on with the market, so that when you talk to me, we can go in depth in some real values and growth areas. I wanted to let you know that this market data is going to be for July and June. So looking at these months, the sales slipped about 3% from the previous month, which was our highest month and our second highest month respectively ever. So just because it slipped 3%, it was still the second highest month in the recorded history of Escambia County and Santa Rosa County numbers. So home sales, and we're going to be talking about prices. So second quarter sales edged up slightly above those reported from last year in the same quarter. So we're slightly above last year, which was good. Our combined residential and condo days on the market is 53 days. So that's 10 days less than the month before. The median sales for June was $220,000, the second highest on record for any month since 2008. Pending sales are up 8% last month, so that means we're selling more houses and we have more houses ready to close than we did, so that's 8% more growth. Now I want to show you this chart. This chart is going to show you monthly sales, so that's every month for the last 5 years. So go back to 2014, which was actually a good year. We're showing some huge growth month over month, or should we say year over year by month. So if you look at the last, basically where you see the yellow, that's this year in the charts, and we're up. Again, May was a little bit higher, but still June super high, and that's just kind of a representation for 2019 sales. And then the next chart I want to show you is quarterly sales. Again, it's going to show you the same kind of data quarter by quarter if you compared the years. So it's just trending up. This is going to show you our median price range. So for years and years, we have not been able to break that 200,000 mark for average sale price. Countrywide, it's going to be closer to 300,000. Statewide, it's closer to 250,000. And we are at $220,000 average price range. I'm showing on this particular slide, I want to show you the days on market. It's trending down just a little bit, and that's kind of healthy. So you're still in the 50-day, 53-day range. This is going to show you how many condos are for sale price range-wise and how many sold, and the days on market comparison is a little bit longer for a condo in those three price ranges, but still not much longer. This chart is how much inventory we have per price range. So if you know your house is in the 200,000 range, you can look at that purple. If you know your house is in the 300,000 range, you can look at that lighter blue. And if your house is under, say, 100,000, you can look at the darker blue. So we just have that difference of how many houses are available in those price range. This slide is on distressed properties. It shows that only 2% of our market is distressed. So that's down from almost half of our market, and our stats and our charts were showing 30%. So even with the phantom inventory, we were at 30%, which was actually on the market, and we don't know really how many thousands of homes were off the market. And now we're down to 2% of just real distressed properties. Of what we are selling, 4% are distressed. Of what we have to sell, in other words, our inventory, 2% are distressed. This is the last slide I'm going to show. It's number 22, and it's pending sales. So this shows how many pending sales we actually have or currently have. And you can see going back 5 years, how that trend is, what times the market's, always says, what's a good time in the market to sell? As you can see, we're selling houses all the time, and we're at 285 houses pending sales in June. That doesn't count all the houses we closed in June or all the houses we closed the month before. That's just the pending sales that are still pending at the end of the day, the last day of the month. WalterPierce.com. This is your market report.